Hello, welcome to Miss Zhao's Chinese channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Translate to learn Chinese. Let's get started. So right now, I'm in Google Translate. We can translate from one language to the other. I choose from English to Chinese simplified. And I type, "Hello, my name is Amy. I have many hobbies. I like to play tennis and swim. I play tennis on Wednesdays. I swim on Saturdays." It should be Saturdays. Okay? So it translates into Chinese like this. 你好，我的名字是 Amy，我有很多爱好。我喜欢打网球和游泳。我星期三打网球，我周六游泳。So this is Chinese characters, and this part is pinyin. So you can see pinyin and practice. And also the cool function is that you can click the speaker, listen.
你好，我的名字是艾米。我有很多爱好，我喜欢打网球和游泳。我星期三打网球，我周六游泳。你
Okay, so it is cool, right? And also, this speaker is the voice is not perfect, but you still can practice with the speaker. And also, I tested that if the word order is wrong, but here, like what I said, in Chinese, word order is subject plus time and verb. This is different than you say English. English, the time is on the end of the sentence. So this is correct translation, and I hope this helped you to learn Chinese. Thank you for watching. I have posted many short videos, regular videos, and past live streams to help you to learn Chinese. Please subscribe my channel and learn Chinese with me. Thank you.